Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the compass feature on your CakCity Evoque solar powered men's watch. Now this is pretty simple. The only thing about this feature is the first time the watch turns on, this is a solar powered watch, so when you get out in the sunlight it's going to turn on for the first time, or if the battery dies you're going to have to do this each time, is you do have to calibrate the compass before your first use. And that's pretty simple. It'll give an actual message down here that'll say something like calibrate, and basically you just have to move the watch in a circle a couple of times and then it'll calibrate and you can use it. And then once you're ready to use the compass, it's pretty simple. You're basically going to press the mode button, which is the bottom left button here, a few times. First time you press it, it's going to take you to your date. Second time it's going to take you to your stopwatch. Third time's to your timer, so on and so forth. But eventually you're going to get to a mode called comp for compass, and then all you have to do is press the start button when you're ready to start using your compass feature. Pretty neat. You're going to see your direction that you're pointing as well as the degrees, and then your minute hand is always going to point to the north. So you'll see as I move, this is going to show what direction my watch is facing. The minute hand will always point to the north for me. You can use the compass as long as you want to. It will not kick you out of it. Once you are done though, however, you can simply press the mode button and that will take you back to your regular timekeeping mode. Anyway, that's a quick video to show you how to use the compass feature on your CakCity watch. Hope it helps.